Hello guys and welcome again. In this lecture we will see how to save videos using OpenCV. In the last time we have seen how to read them and show them, and now we'll see how to save these videos. I will use the same script we have created in the last video. So we have created a capture of this video here and we showed it here. We also converted it to grayscale and showed the grayscale version, and also we put some text on this image which show the number of frames shown on the screen. Let me first print here the width and the height of this video. So it will be capture.get and give it the number of 3 for the width, is the width, and also print the capture.get the fourth one, which is the height. So now let's print these ones. Python read video.py, and now the width is 768 and the height is 576, and these are the videos. I will take these ones here, so I will say width equals to, and I will use it as an integer, and also the same for height, so I will use it as an integer. And to save a video we need first to create or define a codec. And this depends on the system. For example, for Windows it will be diff x, and for iOS and Linux it will be xvid. So I will define it as for cc, and I will call cv2.video video writer for cc, and give it the codec as like that. So I'm using MacBook, so it will be xvid, and then define the output as out cv2.video writer, and give it the name of the file that we want to save. I will call it outputs.avi, and I will also I will give it the for cc, which is the codec, and I will give it also the number of frames per second. So it is a float. I will give it, for example, 20.0, and I will give it also the size of the video, so it will be the same as the width and the height we have created here. So now we have created the output video. We need just to come here and saying out.write this frame, and don't forget to come here and saying out.release. Now I will come here and run the code, and it will be running like that. And after it's finished, or we can stop it by pressing on Q, and it will be saved here in this file output.avi. We can also save the gray image or the gray video by putting here the frame as a gray, and it will be saved. So we can stop the video or wait for it till the end. So now this output.avi is saved here, and we can access it and use it if we need it. For example, if I access it here, I don't need these ones, and I will say here output.avi, and I don't need this also, and this one. So, and even the gray one, I don't need it. I will comment it here, and Let's run the video and see now this is the same video I have just created. You can, if you want to just, for example, save the 300 frames, you can stop it at the 300 and it will be saved just till the 300 frames.